Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Today I'm gonna do some spring kind of cherry nails. I put up a poll on my community tab and you guys wanted the cherry nails with the mint French tip. So I'm just starting off with my nail prep. My nails are pretty already prepped, so I'm just removing whatever is around my cuticles. I'm using my Makat JD700 e-file and the ball bit to go around my cuticles, and this is a really soft and gentle bit, so I feel like it doesn't really do any damage to my nails. I'm then going to file away the free edge of my natural nails. I'm also buffing the nails to remove any shine of them so that the polygel can stick better to my nails. Then you want to apply a thin layer of base coat to all your nails and then cure this for 60 seconds. So then I'm going to be sizing up some of my favorite nail tips, and the way I apply these is just applying some base coat to the free edge of my nail and kind of pushing the tip on top of it and then curing that as I'm holding it under the light, if that makes sense. And because these nails were kind of inspired of someone, I wanted to kind of replicate it as much as I could, so I'm kind of going with their length here and I'm just clipping down a little shorter than usual. And once I'm happy with my length, I am then applying some base coat all over the natural nail and the nail tip. This is so the polygel can also stick to the nail tip. So I'm using a nude polygel from Gershion. This is from their nude polygel kit and it is in shade 005. I did do a review on this kit if you guys are interested, and I will link it down below. So for the nail bed, it's gonna be in kind of like a V kind of shape. So I'm just patting the polygel around the cuticle area and making sure it's really nice and flat there. And then I'm making sure to build a nice kind of V shape. This takes a little bit of practice, but it was definitely fun to do. And I feel like they've turned out pretty well. So that is what the first nail looks like, and then you want to cure this in your light for 60 seconds, and then I'm basically going to repeat that to all the nails. And don't worry if you feel like they're not very even or anything, because I am going to file these before I go in with my color. So I'm just kind of getting these as best as I can in that shape that I want, and then that will just help me later when I come to file. So because I am using some makeup products in this video, I do have a discount code with them. It is Nails by Camin for 15% off your order, and this code works across all of the makeup websites. And once that is all done, you want to make sure you remove the dust really well, because you don't want to like trap any dust when you go in to apply your next layer. So this is what the nails are looking like so far, and I'm using this beautiful minty pastel shade from Tobe Glam. It's in the shade Hello Fabulous, and I just mixed that with some blue and yellow, and I made this really nice minty color. I know the green looked like minty already, but I don't know why my camera was picking it up like that. It's actually a super light pastel color, so that's why I wanted to make my own like minty color. So I know it doesn't show too much on camera, but this color was a bit brighter in real life. I just not sure why my camera wasn't picking it up. So I'm just using that to fill in all the spaces, and you want to make sure to do this really well. Take your time and make sure that everything is nice and filled in, because it's annoying to have to go in afterwards with another layer once it's cured. Finally, once I'm done, I'm gonna remove the sticky layer one more time and make sure to get underneath the nail this time and the free edge. Again, you don't want to gunk up your file because you will probably have to throw it out. And I'm also using my e-file for this as well, so I definitely do not want to ruin that. This time I'm going to use the 100 grit side to file all over the surface of the nail and shape up the sidewalls. So this is going to be like my usual filing routine, and that's pretty much what I'm going to do. I'm going to make sure that the nail bed color and the mint French tip color is like all leveled out. This is really important, otherwise it will show later and it will just look really weird. And I did just want to go over with my e-file today, just because I felt some areas were a little bit more bulkier than I wanted. So I'm using this fine grit smooth top drill bit, and I'm just using this to kind of even out some of the layers. It was mostly around the tip where I had an issue, but the rest was fine. So now you want to remove the dust one last time so that you can start prepping your nails for top coat or any other designs. Today I'm going to do like the cherry set, so instead of doing it hand drawn, which I'm not very good at, I decided it would be better to follow the actual inspo picture and use crystals, which I actually have. So first I'm going to do a layer of top coat, and I'm going to make sure that I leave this uncured so that I can stick on my crystals for the cherries. So these are just some red gems I have from the Macart decoration kit. I believe it's the Valentine's Day one, and it comes with like an assortment of small, medium and large pieces. So I'm just using them randomly to kind of place the crystals on my nail, and then I'm gonna cure each finger as I go along, just so that the crystals don't move and mess up. So once you've done all your crystal placement, make sure to cure that for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to go in with some green gel polish and use this to create the stem of the cherries. This was fairly simple. And then you want to cure that for 60 seconds. Make sure that you also apply another layer of top coat. And then I'm finishing off with some cuticle oil. This is just one from my cart. And that is the finished nail set. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think. It was really fun to create this, and I love the little pop with the crystals. I think it really stands out and complements that minty green color. Please let me know what you guys think down below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.